A must-see place offering fresh air with an overlooking view of mountains awaits you here in around the region. This breathtaking view and place, Tanay Highland Cafe, is located at Kilometer 57, Marilaki Road, Tanay Highlands, Sitio Mayagay, Samapalok, Tanay Rizal. Tanay Highland is one of the best restaurants in Tanay Rizal, perfect for long weekend, road trip, and family bonding. Experience the relaxing view with the great food and yet affordable prices. This place is a perfect spot to unwind and to have some catch up with your family and friends. Indeed, it's a very beautiful place and it's a pet-friendly restaurant.